Mommy had to record it because you don't cry very often. What? Look what I have. Look what I have. Look. Look what I have for you. Oh. There you go. There. See? It's all good. It's all good, bud. You don't cry very often, but you're hungry, aren't you? Are you a hungry boy? Oh! Where's the boat? I want to see the boat. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. There you go. Nummy, nummy. Is that better? Is that better, little boy? All right. You got it? Good job. He's a strong boy. Oh, you're losing it. Oopsie. We're going to get out anyway. Okay? Okay? Let me see smiles. Connor. Oh, that's not a smile. Say, Mom, give me my food back. Give me my food back, Mom. I want my food.
Mom got it.
Libby's got it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna pick him up, Liv. Just a sec.